Hi, welcome back to my channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction and Persuasion and Mind Power. My friend, I'm Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India, and in this video I'm going to take you to my live training program where I'll give you a demo on Elman Induction. Now, Elman Induction is a very powerful induction method. It takes 3 or 4 minutes to do it, and the person goes into a deep stage of hypnosis very first time, and it works 95% of the time. So friend, before we go to the live seminar, if you have not subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. And please like, share, and we already have a lot of other videos, more than 950 videos at the time of recording this, and please have a look on the previous videos also. So get ready now, watch me in the live seminar.
Look at my hand, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes down. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. So I use my hand. When she took a breath, I also took a deep breath. This is developing a rapport. And she exhale, close. The moment she followed my instruction, I said, that's right. That's right is a very powerful hypnotic word. So whenever you are doing on somebody, they are following instruction, always say that's right. Okay? Put your awareness on both of your eyelids and pretend they are so heavy, so relaxed, to the point that the muscle won't work at all and your eyelids are stuck in a downward position. Want it happen, make it happen, let it happen. When you're doing really well, try to open your eyes, but make sure it won't work at all. Stop trying, keep your eyes closed, send the same quality of relaxation from your eyelids to the top of your head, then down to the tips of your toes. Feel a wonderful wave of blood going down to the point all the muscles and nerves in body completely loose, limp and relaxed. Feel a blanket of relaxation covering your whole body. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. Now, Veronica, in a moment I'll ask you to open and close your eyes. The moment you close your eyes is trigger for you to make your whole body 10 times more deeply relaxed than now. And just let it happen, and you can do it. It's fun. So get ready now. Open your eyes. Open, close your eyes down and slip. Loose, limp and relax. Loose, limp and relax. 10 times deeply relaxed than before. Very deeply and comfortably relaxed. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. That's right. In a moment again, I'll ask you to open and close your eyes. The moment you close your eyes, it's trigger for you to make your whole body twice deeply relaxed than now. And you can do it. It's easy and fun. So get ready now. Open your eyes and close your eyes down. Sleep now. Very deeply and comfortably relaxed. That's right. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. And now, in a moment again, I'll ask you to open and close your eyes. The moment you close your eyes, trigger for you to again double your relaxation. It's fun and easy. You can do it. So get ready now. Open your eyes and close your eyes down and sleep now. Very deeply relaxed. That's wonderful. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Very deeply and comfortably relaxed. Your whole body is completely loose, limp and relaxed. I'm going to lift your right hand by your wrist. Don't help me, let me do the work. Make your whole body completely heavy, loose, limp and relaxed. That's right, you're doing a wonderful job. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Now there are 3 levels of relaxation. That was physical relaxation, now the mental relaxation. Level A, level B and level C. Level A is 10 times deeper than now, B is twice deeper than A, and C is twice deeper than B. Now, I want you to go to level A, which may be going down the staircase or going up or whatever you feel comfortable with. And once you are there, try to speak A. Yeah, wonderful. Now, I want you to go to level B, which is twice deeper than now. And once you are there, try to speak B. Very good. Now, you are twice deeply relaxed than before. Now, I want you to go to the deepest, that is C. And once you are there, try to speak C. Very good. Deeply relaxed. With each and every breath you exhale, allow yourself to go deeper and deeper. Deeper and deeper. Very deeply and comfortably relaxed. All the discomfort is gone from your right hand. What you do over here will not discomfort at all. In fact, what you do over here will take you deeper into relaxation. Continue to go deeper and deeper. Very deeply and comfortably relaxed. That's wonderful. And now, when you guys you come over here, I want to give you another trigger to go into self-hypnosis. Anytime you want to go into self-hypnosis, all you have to do is find a nice place to sit so nobody disturb you. Then take a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes down and press this thumb and finger together and say in your mind, relax now. And instantly you will drop down into deep state of relaxation. The trigger is, find a nice place to sit so nobody disturb you. Then take a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes down and say, relax now, and press, and instantly will drop down into deep state of relaxation. Each and every time you use this method, you go 10 times deeper and faster than before. So let's practice now. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes down and say, relax now, and press. That's right. 1, 2, 3, open your eyes, take a deep breath, and as you exhale, close your eyes down and say, relax now. Be there, just relax, enjoy that relaxation. With each and every breath you exhale, and each time you use it, you go 10 times deeper and faster than before. So now, at the count of 3, open your eye, feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better. Number 1, feel the energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2, become aware of your surroundings. And 3, open your eyes. Okay, now it's very simple. First, you are using it, that showing the person how to feel, close eyes, pretend, and then showing them. And then you observe their breathing. The moment they close and send the breathing, you can feel that they are getting relaxed. 3 times opening and closing. Now this you need to remember. 10, twice and twice. Then ABC also 10, twice and twice. Why? Guess why? Compounding of suggestion. When I say 10 the first time, then I say second twice, the first becomes stronger. Then again twice, the first becomes more stronger. It's a compounding of suggestion. If I say twice and 10, it maybe also have a good effect, but this is much more powerful. Then ABC 10 twice. So what happened? 3 and 3, 6 times you have given the suggestion to relax. So the first suggestion which was given 10 times become very, very strong. It's called compounding of suggestions.
So my friend, welcome again, and now you have watched me doing a demo for the participant in the workshop, my live training program, where I'm going to step by step how to do Dave Elman Induction. Now this Dave Elman Induction is not the actual Dave Elman Induction which normally is taught. I have changed it to little bit, change it to suit the Indian conditions. So watch this few times and then practice on somebody, and it's a very powerful induction method which take a person into deep stage of hypnosis, and when the person is there, you can do therapy, you can do content-free therapy, you can do, give them a positive suggestions or whatever kind of therapy you want to do, you can do that. It's a very, very powerful tool, my friends. Practice it, watch it, and do it at least 4-5 times on a different people, so you master it. Remember, by the 3rd time you do this, you will master it. So my friend, I'm sure you really enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video, and we are going to upload a lot of new videos now. And now my friend, if you really want to attend the live training program like this which you just watched, so click on the link above. If there is a workshop happening right now somewhere in Hyderabad, so click on the link below or call us. We'll let you know when our next workshop is happening. Register immediately and have fun and learn by doing it in the workshop. So I'm looking forward to seeing you personally soon. Thank you very much and all the best.